In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Spotify to Wallpaper Engine. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you need to do this is download the Spotify wallpaper from the Steam Workshop. So go to the Wallpaper Engine Steam page and go to the Workshop. In the Workshop, use the search bar to look for Spotify Wallpaper 2. As you can see, you should see this one from Eyeless, and open it up. As you can see by the screenshots, your wallpaper is going to react according to what you are playing on Spotify. If Spotify has lyrics for this song, it will automatically display them as well in your desktop. All you have to do is subscribe to this workshop map and you will be able to use it as usual, as long as you have Spotify running in the background. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Spotify to Wallpaper Engine. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.